You've probably seen these hypnotic dancing cats online. In fact, with just a single static image, you can turn your cat into a dance king without any filming or editing, easily creating viral cat dance videos in seconds. Today, we're going to use the Picwand AI cat dance video generator. Why recommend this tool? Because it offers multiple trending dance moves, is extremely easy to use, and generates videos that are ready to post directly on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Just follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Go to the official Picwand website, find the AI cat dance video generator, and click Generate Now. Step 2. You'll see a variety of trending cat dance templates. Simply choose one you like, then upload a photo of your cat. Step 3. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, you'll get a smooth and natural cat dance video. The result looks surprisingly realistic and natural. Not only are the dance movements on point, but even the fur texture is beautifully preserved. The link to the tool is already in the description. Go ahead and try it to make your cat dance. Don't forget to like and subscribe.